Hello, this is Ruman. I am a web developer. Today I will show you how to resize any image after upload it website admin panel. So let's start. First we are going to the canva.com website. Now we will click to create a design button, then customize button, define the width and height. Click create new design. Now we will click upload button. Then click upload file. Select the product image and logo. Image is uploaded. Click the image and drop the frame and focus product middle pointer. Double click focus and done. Same to same we are adding to logo into frame. After adjusting the logo, click name. And share button, click download. Again download button. Here we got it.